Everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to make sales entry in Zoho books. Under that, we will cover what is sales, convert sales order into sales, and how to pass general sales entry in Zoho books. So let's first understand what is sale. Sale is a process, means where we transfer our ownership of items or item to pass to the another person in exchange of fee. So that is called sales. It is a one sale is that we transfer ownership of the property or items or properties or service to give another person service in exchange of in form of fee. That is called sale. Okay. So I hope you understand what is sales. Now moving to the Zoho books. This is our home page. In that, click on sale tab. For sales order, we already seen how to create a sales order. This is our sales order which we have created. Now for sales, convert sales order into sales. You can click on mark as confirmed. Okay, once you click on mark as confirmed, there's an option convert to invoice, means sales invoice. Click on the convert to sales invoice. You can update the sales invoice date. Check everything is correct. Once it is done, save. You want to save as and send, you can, or save as draft as your. After save, you can click on save and send that invoice, or click as save as draft, see your invoice. If everything is fine, then you can click on save invoice. Okay, so in this way we can convert sales order into sales. Now for creating new sales order, you have to click on invoice, click on new, select customer name, or you want to create some new customer name, you can create like we are saying provide servicing. Contact number, email ID you can provide. This is for consumer. Okay, write consumer, then save. Then write the service. For this is service, so write the name of service. Select service first, name of the service. In service, we can't measure in unit, so leave it. Then SAC code. 6 digits, you need to be enter 6 digits SAC code. Okay. Then we are doing sales. Sales price, suppose for laptop repair, sales price is GST rate 18%. Save. Now you can see automatically everything is calculated. If you want to adjust something, you can adjustment. If you want to deduct this, you want to provide discount, you can add the percentage of discount like 2% discount. Okay. And then payment has received. It is immediate. So payment has received, cash saved. So in this way, we can create sales invoice. As you can see, payment has received, paid, everything you can check. Okay. So I hope you have understand what is sales, how to convert sales order into sales, and how to pass sales entry in Zoho books. So do you have any question or any doubt regarding that? You can simply contact us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.